Hey there, welcome. I'm Dylan, I'm the head chef from Appaochable Kitchen. We're excited to welcome you to our cooking studio, and together we'll discover new cuisines through delicious food. I want to share in a few seconds some key information ahead of your class. We understand things can happen, so we want to offer you the ability to reschedule your class up to 2 weeks before your class starts. Any consecutive changes after that period will incur a fee. Unless a class is canceled due to circumstances beyond our control, no refund is permitted as per our booking terms. If you still need to settle your booking, you'll find ways to pay the balance below. Please ensure your account is settled no later than 2 weeks before the start of your class. We're proud to be able to cater for most dietary restrictions. Just let us know 48 hours in advance. Feel free to reply to this email if you have any questions. We'll come back to you as soon as we're able to, yet no later than 48 hours. And that's all. I'll get in touch with the last remaining details a week before the start of your class. See you then.